Hey guys, I'm doing another tour of my hotel room, and this time where am I? I'm at the Crowne Plaza in Glasgow. So I wanted to show this door thing because I thought it was really cute. I'm out on a mission, please service my room. And then, that's what I thought was cute. On the other side, you have, I'm busy relaxing, please do not disturb. So we're gonna put this outside later. We also have the breakfast menu, but I'm staying in one of the executive rooms, so I am going to be having either breakfast at the club lounge, which is one floor. I'm on the 16th floor, so I might have breakfast, continental breakfast at the club lounge. But I am also a guest of the Glasgow Convention Bureau, so I do have breakfast also waiting for me if I want to go to the restaurant downstairs. Anyway, we'll put this out later. And then here they also have the breakfast menu that you can put out the night before if you want breakfast to be served in your room. I'm staying in an executive room, so I have access to the club lounge, which is one floor below me. I'm on the 16th floor. The club lounge is on the 15th floor, so we'll try to check that out later. So here's the door. Over here you have a little cubby hole, which I would think would be for the suitcase, but obviously I have space there. This is the entranceway. It's a little narrow, but not too bad because there's a lot of closet space here. And over here is the bathroom. So let me start with the closet space. So you have a full-length mirror over here, and then a safe, ta-da, and hairdryer, and then two cubby holes, which I imagine would be for shoes, but we'll see what I did with shoes over here. So this is a lot of closet space. I was like, wow. I don't know how to turn on the light. I don't know if there's a light. I would think there would be, but I'm not sure. Anyway, shelf up there. Down here you have the ironing board, my stuff. You have laundry in case you need it, and that's where I put my shoes. So I could have put it in the cubby hole, but I don't. This is going to be a short trip for me, so I don't have a lot of stuff. But if this was for a regular conference business trip, then yeah, I would be taking up all this space. So over here on the left we have the bathroom. So over here on the left we have the bathroom. Just really nice. I like the floors. Long sink, my toiletry bag, which is unusually huge. I'm looking for a new one. I have to go check out reviews on, I don't know, Instagram, TikTok, Amazon. Makeup mirror, regular mirror. I wonder if there's a light here. Yep, there it is. Yep, there it is. Okay. It's in the back. And then here we have their product. And a body wash, Antipodes. So I'm looking forward to trying that. Towels. What do you call them? Tissues. This is the bath little shower, and then we have this, oh, and then the handheld shower head over here. And then this glass barrier thing, which I think this is very common in Europe, to have this. But yeah. So you don't really need anything because everything is right here, which is awesome. Now let's go check out the main area. So this is the bedroom area with a little small parlor area over there. Over here you got the phone. You have all of your outlets, switches, and lights. Is it me? Oh. Oh, there we go. Alright, so reading lights, side table lights. What's this? Room for more. Oh, menu. Okay, so if you want to order room service, you can do so with this. I was wondering what this was. Ah, so yeah. I think we can do this. I'm okay with making a green choice. And over here we have another side table shelf thing, and my outlets all plugged in. This is my stuff from my trip. And over here we have the desk area. Oh, hold on, let me go back here. We have a flat screen TV, remote. I'm not sure what that is, but I think it has to do with the cable. Ooh, what's this? Does this come out? Oh, it doesn't come out. I want to know what this is. I think it's chocolate. Ta-da. Yeah, I think it's chocolate. And then you have the... Oh, yep, it does come out. Okay, so coffee, tea, mugs. I bet you that's chocolate. It looks like chocolate. We also have some snacks here and some glassware. And then we have a fridge. What's in the fridge? Soda, water. What is this? Beer. Wine. I see there's a white right here too. Nice. Here's the desk with a mirror, lamp, more outlets, and then here's the parlor area. I have some goodies here from some friends in Glasgow. One of them I want to point out to you because I'm really curious about this. I really want to try this. It looks very interesting. So there is some tonic water just in case. In case I want to give it a shot. We'll see. And then I know in here, I'm planning to go visit this distillery during my stay, so I'm looking forward to that too. Later. But I want to show you this view. If you can't already see it from the window, I don't know if this is the Clyde River. I think it is. If I'm wrong, I'll let you know. But there's the armadillo. There's the OVO. I can't remember what it was. And then I believe this is the SEC Convention Center. I'm still learning my way around, and I think, could be wrong, but I think this is the walkway that will go to the Finnieston neighborhood. But we'll see. And it's interesting because it's actually covered to get over there, so I'm gonna find out later on tonight. But anyway, I thought this was a really nice view from my hotel room. And then over there, I don't know if you can see it, there's a sign that says, let's see if you can get it, People Make Glasgow. So, yeah. So that is a tour of my hotel room, which is the Crowne Plaza Glasgow SEC Center, which is this complex. And yeah. Let's go check out the rest of the property.